Parsing boolean values with argparse. I would like to use argparse to parse boolean command line arguments written as foo true or foo false. For example. However, the following test code does not do what I would like. Sadly, parsed_args.my_bool evaluates to true. This is the case even when I change cmd_line to b, my_bool, which is surprising, since bool evaluates to false. How can I get argparse to parse false, f, and their lowercase variants to be false?
I think a more canonical way to do this is via and. argparse supports this version nicely. Python 3.9 plus. Python less than 3.9. Of course, if you really want the argtrue vertical bar false version, you could pass s.literal_eval as the type, or a user-defined function.
Yet another solution using the previous suggestions, but with the correct parse error from argparse. This is very useful to make switches with default values, for instance. Allows me to use and still use a default value, specific to the user settings. 1. Indirectly related. Downside with that approach is that the nargs might catch a positional argument. See this related question and this argparse bug report.
If you want to allow feature and no feature at the same time, last one wins. This allows users to make a shell alias with feature, and overriding it with no feature. Python 3.9 and above. Python 3.8 and below. I recommend Nielsen's answer. If you don't want to allow feature and no feature at the same time, you can use a mutually exclusive group. You can use this helper if you are going to set many of them.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.